Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply more than one mask to a video or photo on CapCut PC. So for instance, I want to create this kind of like heart shaped frame here. So go to mask and add in like a heart shape or any shape that you want. Then I want to, for instance, add another mask. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on the picture or video and I'm going to select create compound clip. After that, I'm going to select the same mask again and I'm going to invert it to create this like heart-shaped frame. You can also feather that out, and that's how you can add more than one mask to your videos or photos. If you want to add more, unfortunately, you do have to export it first because you can only compound clip once. So I'm just going to like add another one just because. And then right click, create compound clip, and then add another mask to that. Invert it, like so. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!